Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show how to create a photo album in PowerPoint. It's a very simple way. I'm going to show that. So what you need to do is open your PowerPoint. I'm closing this and choose this insert. You can see this photo album. So click on this photo album. It will be under insert tab. So insert tab, click on this photo album. Click new photo album. So file. So if I write, I need to choose the images. So I'm choosing that. So by holding control button, I'm selecting other files. And yes, so I have selected 5 files here. So click on insert. So what I need to do is, so I need to enable the checkbox which I want to be in the album. So fit to slide, that is fine. Once it's selected right, you need to click on create. If you don't want, you can click on remove by selecting this. So I'm going to click on this create button. Super cool. Photo album by super cool. All images is separated to each layout. So I need to animate this. So click on this second pick. Go to transitions. Here right, you can do whatever you want. You can add the, so I'm going to add this fade between these two, 1 and 2. So for the third one, I'm going to do it on wipe. So it's cool. And third for random boss. And fourth for flash. And fifth for wind. So you can choose whatever the options you want. You can insert the transitions. Once it's done right, you can enable the sound as well for each one, but I'm not going to add a sound. So duration should be 2 minutes. And right, so disable this on mouse click. Then I'm going to automatically transition should happen after every 5 seconds. So I'm going to add this 5 seconds. Enable this timing. So it's done. Now I'm going to verify this, selecting the first layout and click on the slideshow. Every 5 seconds it should change automatically. Now it's perfect. Wow, super cool. Giving escape. And now right, I need to export this slideshow. So how to do that? I want to export this slideshow as a video. So you go to file and click on export. You can see the option create a video. Create a video. Here you can choose the presentation quality. 1920 is HD, so it's good. I'm selecting this. Seconds spent on each slide 5. It's cool. Even you can change it to 10 or 7. 5 is good. So I'm going to disable this use recorder timings and narrations. Don't use recorder timing and narrations. Cool. Create a video. Click on that. It will be asking for save locations. I'm going to give that. Click on save. So album is created on my desktop. So I'm going to open it. Wow, super cool. Super cool. The transition is completely working in the new video. So that's it. This is the way you can create a photo album and you can convert it into video. That's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put comments and feedbacks and make it fun. Thank you. Bye.